Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. What's up guys, welcome back to the another video tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can open a account sub account in a Cloudflare. So what I have to do, first of all I am going to log in to my account with the Cloudflare. If you don't have account, you need to go to create just log in to the Cloudflare, and you can see here is my all domain in my Cloudflare account. So I am going to create the easy accounting ERP, and you can see my site is push, and here is the strategy of my site. Where you have to go, I am going to the DNS, you can see, and here I am going to, you can see the add record, and I have the another subdomain is all is here. So for what I am going to do, I am going to add the subdomain just like a add record, and you can see you have to select the A. You need to write here the subdomain name. Just I am writing the subdomain name is DUKANDAR, Dokandar. So what I have to do, I have to use my hosting server DNS. So let's go to, I am going to open my hosting server. It's take a couple of minutes, and now I am going to log in my hosting server. And I am using the fast command server, that's why I am going to log in into my hosting server. Then what I will do, you can see my server has the IP address. I am using the share server, that's why this is my server IP address. So I will use the IP address from here, and I will put it here IPv4 address. So what I will do, I just need to do the save, and you can see the DNS subdomain is saved. Now what I have to do, I'm going to the add-ons domain subdomain. So where I will go to the subdomain, and you can see I use the same name Dokandar dot. I just copy this name and I paste it here. I'm going to create a subdomain under this domain. You can see it's created dokandar.easyaccounting.erp. You can see this is the same my subdomain name, and I'm using my share IP address. So what I have to do now, I have to create the domains, and it's take just a couple of minutes. You see my subdomain is created. So what I will do now, I'm going go back to my files, and you can see if I going to open a dot easy accounting erp.com, you can see it's giving it's opening. I just need to install the SSL. If I install the SSL, so it will be left the error. I'm going to install the SSL. You can see all the SSL is here. What is my subdomain name is DUK. You can see dukandareasyaccounting.com. I just press the issue, and I will submit the issue button. it's take a few seconds to complete the process. You can see it's the complete the now you can see my domain is active now because my hosting server has nothing file inside. I'm just going to create a one file. Just simply I'm using the HTML page so you can understand. Dokandar easy accounting. You can see if I going to create a one file, just index .html, and I create it, and I put some file here just for the HTML template w3 HTML, and I am going to just copy this program so I can understand the my server is working fine. You can see. Now what I will do, now I am going to open the subdomain. Let's see if it's working or not. And you can see I have put it just simply HTML page. Now it's a working date. So that was the video tutorial. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.